Hello there family, welcome back to my channel. And today, if you're watching this video, you're probably lazy. Like when it comes to natural hair, you're probably lazy like me. I'm gonna be honest. Even though I'm up on here, making these videos, when it comes to my hair, I either go all the way, spend 7 to 8 hours doing my hair, or I'm lazy and I just cannot be bothered. And if you're like me, welcome. It's okay. We meet every Wednesday. Don't worry, we have cocktails. Okay? Welcome to the club. You probably want to know what I think is the #1 hack, lazy girl approved hack for better moisturized hair. And I'm going to share it with you. And we're going to do it. So I just want to say, if you're new to the club, if you're new to the family, smash that subscribe button. And with one click of that button, you become part of our squad, our family, which we call family. Most of you might know that if I'm in my bed, this is my bed. If I'm in my bed, I'm getting ready to share a lazy girl hack with you. If you didn't know, now you know. I'm in my bed. If you want to know if I'm really in my bed, these are some of my pillows. This is my Pikachu. So I'm really in my bed. So I'm going to share a lazy girl hack with y'all for more moisture. Because I know January is still going to be a busy month for me. So my hair is looking rough, but it's moisturized. And I'm going to tell you why. I shared this tip on my YouTube channel like before, and I got some great responses from people who have been trying it, so I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So, her tip is, take your leave-in conditioner, and you can take whatever leave-in you like. I mixed multiple leave-in conditioners that were already almost finished. And I also put the Tropical Moringa Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner in there from the Main Choice. I can really recommend this one because it's so nourishing. So you put a little bit of leave-in in there, and then you add water until it's the consistency that you like. So I already did that, but mine is still kind of a bit thicker than I would like. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. I would advise use bottled water because water out of tap water can, how do you say that? How do you say that in English? Tap water can perish. If that's correct English. English is my second language. I'm going to add a little bit more water just to make sure that it is a bit more runny. That is how I like the consistency of this. It's really simple. You just add your water, you shake it, and then what I do, I lightly spritz my hair. Because the way you see me now, my hair is looking a hot mess. I've been wearing this puff for a few weeks. Yeah, I know. I've been wearing this puff for a few weeks, and I've just been gelling the front, doing baby hairs so that it's presentable. But my hair has to be moisturized. So, the hair is dry right now, and I'm just going to spritz it a bit. Not too much. You don't want your hair to be soaking wet. And then, I just spritz. And depending on which leave-in you use, your hair might have a white cast because product is on it. I find that when we do the next step and we wake up in the morning, because we're going to sleep with it, the white cast is gone. So, don't worry. So, you spray the hair until it's damp. You do not want it to be soaking wet. I repeat, do not make the hair soaking wet. That's not smart. So, I spray it. And I work it into my hair. And I try to not get it on my walls. And I think the hair is good now. What I do, I take a little bit on my hand. Is that rain? It's raining again. That's the Netherlands. It's always raining. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of the mixture, and I'm also running it on the front of my hair and the nape of my neck, so that the hair there also gets a little bit of moisture. Yes. So I should be good now. The next step is that you take either a plastic cap or a plastic bag. Y'all know, if you watch me, I use a plastic bag. Place it on your head. And I use bobby pins to secure it. The next step, because we are now sleeping with a bag, we don't want this bag to come off at night. The next step is you use your scarf. This is the scarf that I sleep with. It is either satin or it feels like satin. The point is it doesn't get moisture out of my hair. So I'm gonna just tie this up. And that's it. What you do is, when you've tied your hair, when do you do this? You do it at night before you go to sleep, because if you're lazy or if you're just busy, it's not just for lazy people, but if you're really busy, you don't have time to do your hair. And that's what's been happening to me this month. You do this before you go to sleep. Y'all saw it live, right? It just takes a few minutes to spritz your hair, to tie it, and then you go to sleep. While you're sleeping, the warmth of your body is gonna, open up the pores, open up the strands, and then the mixture is gonna seep in and it's gonna moisturize your hair. And because you haven't used too much water or extra product, it's not gonna irritate your scalp. So, that is what I think is the #1 lazy girl approved hack if you want more moisturized hair. I just hit myself. I don't know if you saw it. I just hit myself. Anyway, this hack, like I said, it came from Felicia Leatherwood. She's an amazing stylist. And she said that if you do this 2 to 3 times a week, within a few weeks, you will see a major difference in your hair. And I can vouch for it. I've tried it. I've been doing this for a while. Not consistently, but even while I was not doing it consistently, I have noticed a change in my hair. So I can really recommend it. I've said this before in previous videos, and people who have tried it have come back and they've told me, yo, this is the truth, this works. So I just wanted to make a video for you guys to tell you about it. Also, I just want to be consistent with videos. So if I can come with helpful, quick tips, I'm gonna do that because I want to see you guys on a regular basis. So leave a comment down below if you've already tried this, and if you're gonna try it, did it help? Yes. And my last tip for this is, if you're gonna do it, please don't do it with a twist out. Don't do it with a style that has to be dry in the morning, because you're gonna play yourself. That's why I'm doing it with this puff. I don't care if it's a little bit wet when I leave the house. It's not gonna be wet, but a little bit damp when I leave the house. So I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you guys found it helpful. Yes, I'm gonna leave this on because, like I said, you gotta sleep in this bad boy. So I'm gonna go to sleep now. It's actually in the middle of the day. I'm not gonna go to sleep, but let's pretend I'm gonna go to sleep. Okay, so I will see you soon. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already, and follow me on Instagram. Yes? So leave a comment below if you've tried this lazy girl hack, and what other lazy girl hacks do you know for either moisturized hair, stronger hair, good looking hair. I don't know. If it's lazy girl approved, we want to know it. So help your sisters out. Okay. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. And the next video, I've already placed it conveniently here. Yes, yes, yes. And then you can click that, you can watch that. I'm gonna see you there. And I'll see you next week. Bye. Okay. So like I said, I'm gonna go to sleep. Pikachu, Pikachu, where you at? Pikachu, Pikachu and I are gonna go to sleep. Okay. Peace.